Hello, I'm Aaron Norris, and this is the Norris Group's Real Estate Headline Roundup in 2. Happy July 9th. Short week, but let's get started. So the wealthy are walking. CoreLogic releases a report through the New York Times that 1 in 7 with $1 million plus loans are seriously delinquent. That's compared to 1 in 12 of loans that are under $1 million. A lot of these are thought to be strategic defaults. Of course, a lot of these loans don't have any type of workouts or loan modifications possible with current guidelines. Sure to be an ongoing issue in the coming years. We'll keep an eye out on those numbers for you. Mortgage rates continue to go down this week, down to 4.57. That's the lowest since the 1950s. Got to take advantage of that. Expect a lot more lobbying from banks. They're fighting against some accounting changes proposed by the Financial Accounting Standard Boards that wants to see all financial instruments to be marked to market. Banks don't like that long-term investments like loans would be considered in that category. They think it's going to be confusing and extremely costly to keep track of. Also probably increasing the cost of capital for them. So expect to see a lot more headlines in the news about that. If you're reading this on the blog, I posted the link to the American Bankers Association, which has a whole section on this topic and what they're fighting against and why it's important for them not to do this change. Wells Fargo is ditching the non-prime. It's restructuring after its purchase of Wachovia back in 2008. It says it's no longer necessary. They're going to be closing 600 of their financial stores, laying off 3,800 employees over the next 12 months, and most of them in the next 90 days. Also released this week is the LPF Mortgage Monitor Report. Again, if you're reading on the blog, you could go down below and you'll find the PDF of that report that I pulled from their website. They report that national delinquencies are at 9.2%, which is up 2.3% from 1 month prior, and it was 7.9% 1 year ago. Cure rates at 6 months lows, except for the HAMP modifications going on. Those conversions are doing a little bit better. Modifications are improving, or so the numbers are showing. We'll see how that goes on, especially with the permanent modifications. And short sales are on the rise, no surprise there, but deed in lieu's are remaining flat. Clear Markets and Keller Williams have teamed up together to create a new partnership. Its asset disposition meets full-service real estate firm. Clear Markets bring technology and training and hopes to take advantage of Keller Williams' large network of brokers and agents all over the nation. I only see one listing on the Clear Markets website for a real estate listing in Los Angeles, so it'll be interesting to watch to see if they become more predominant in California. That's it for the Friday headlines. If you'd like more news and information, you can go to the website, thenorrisgroup.com/blog, and you can read all the news from the week. There's a lot more on the blog. Check that out. Upcoming events, July 12th, Bruce will be up in San Francisco at Agent Reboot. That's with Inman News and the California Association of Realtors. July 21st at Women's Invest Club. Bruce will be talking about the 7 characteristics of a great real estate investor. I believe it's the last time we're going to do this talk, so if you haven't seen it, please check it out. Followed 1 week later, still in Orange County, with the Investors Workshops. Bruce will do Emerging Trends for 2010 with a special interview by Sean Watkins, who is teaching an excellent title class this weekend. Check out investorsworkshops.com. I know Bruce will plan on being there on Saturday, but we have to miss Sunday, unfortunately. That's another class, but they're doing a whole bunch of really interesting things over there. Check them out. Definitely check out those 2 speaking engagements in Orange County. And as I mentioned in the real estate quarterly newsletter that we just released yesterday, the Advanced Investing Skills and Strategies for Quadrant 2.5 workshop is going to be August 15th. That's going to be in Orange at the DoubleTree. Check out thenorrisgroup.com and look for the jumping fish. And many of you will be receiving a mailer in the mail very soon. I'm super excited this week to announce the launch of I Survived Real Estate 2010. We had to wait because of a few panelists we were going after. I think you'll be very excited. This year's topic is the state of REO. Returning panelists will be Joseph Magziarez from the Appraisal Institute. He's the upcoming president. Tommy Williams will be back. Little know that they actually have a bulk buy division there, so he'll be talking about REO from several different angles. We've got Christopher Thornburg, always a favorite, returning for his 3rd year. And the new panelists this year, we've got Sean O'Toole from Foreclosure Radar, extremely smart guy and a good friend. We've got Sarah Letts from Fannie Mae in charge of their bulk buy division, and we also have Freddie Mac's bulk buy division head. His name is Peter Wayman, and we've got one more guest that we have yet to confirm that's going to be from the Commercial Leadership Division at the Mortgage Bankers Association. The website is set up, isurvive2010.com. We've already got a ton of commitment with over 20 tables taken up. I think this year, because of the topic, it's going to sell out quickly. We'd love your support. Check out isurvive2010.com now to check out how you can get involved. Up this week on the radio show, we're very excited. We have Tony Alvarez, Uncle Tony to most of us. You can check him out on our radio show at 5:90 a.m. on KTIE if you're in the Inland Empire area. Or, of course, we're in iTunes, Zune, and we podcast and transcribe the show on our website. Check out thenorrisgroup.com. You could also check out thenorrisgroup.com if you're looking for some hard money loans, or if you're interested in doing some trust deed investing, check out tngtrustdeeds.com, where you can download a free book and watch a video on trust deed investing with the Norris Group. Or you can find us on Amazon.com, our new ebook that's out. Just look up Bruce Norris and you'll find us there. Have a great weekend, and we'll see you next week.